I put condensed milk straight into the mold and I was surprised by the result. Here I'm using 395 grams of condensed milk, and we're going to shave the bowl well, and then we're going to turn the mold like this. I've greased this pan with butter, but if you have some release agent at home, you can use it. Now I'll leave it here and we'll move on to the next part. Here in this bowl, I'm going to add 3 whole eggs. I'm also going to add a cup of caster sugar. Now with the whisk, I'm going to beat for 3 minutes to mix the eggs and sugar very well. At this point, the sugar and eggs are very homogeneous. I'm going to stop beating and add a cup of milk. Then add half a cup of oil and continue beating with a whisk until the mixture is smooth. This recipe is delicious, people. It's perfect. You'll see the result. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of unleavened wheat flour and half a cup of chocolate powder. And I'm using 50% cocoa powder. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of baking soda here, and we're going to stir again until it's a very homogeneous dough. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of baking powder and we'll stir it in gently. Guys, this cake is amazing. Every time I make it here at home, there's nothing left over. Now that our dough is ready, we'll add it to the condensed milk in the pan, and it will be a wonderful cake that comes out of the oven filled. And now you'll see the magic happen. Just bake it at 180 degrees for 50 minutes. And the cake is already well baked. And look what a delicious cake it is, people. It looks like a layer of dulce de leche here on top. Our cake has already come out of the oven with wonderful frosting, people. Look at how perfect this cake is. And this recipe is very quick and easy to make. Here at home, this is one of our favorite cakes. Tell the truth, people, this cake deserves nothing but praise. Make it at home because there won't be a single piece left. I can't explain how delicious this cake is. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye-bye.